Hello everyone, my name is Kasim Lupao and I am one of the expert eyes trainers here at Real Edge International. Welcome to our video lesson today where we are going to learn more about opinion questions. In our lesson today, we are going to define what opinion questions are, and number two, we are going to see how we need to structure our opinion questions. And we are going to delve further and look at how we need to write our introduction paragraph, our body paragraphs 1 and 2, and finally how to write the conclusion paragraph. What are opinion questions? So these are questions that intend to assess your opinion on different issues or subjects. The questions may take any of the following forms. Number 1, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Or number 2, what is your opinion? Or number 3, do you think XYZ? Or number 4, is it a positive or negative development? The introduction paragraph. The paragraph should have two sentences organized as follows. First sentence, you need to paraphrase the statement from the question card by use of the following specific words. For instance, you may begin as follows. Most people have argued that, or most people prefer, etc. And the tip here is avoid starting the paragraph with such words like it is argued that. Such words make your work look awkward. So ideally, the point to note here is that you need to paraphrase. Your first sentence should paraphrase your question. So what you need to do is look at the overall meaning of the statement and restate the whole idea in other words, but without changing the original meaning. The second sentence. In this sentence, you should say whether you agree or disagree, starting with the following specific linking words. Like, I completely agree, or I concede, or I concur, etc. You should then include your two supporting points, and these two supporting points forms the contents to your body paragraph 1 and 2. So your first supporting point forms the content for body paragraph 1, and your second supporting point forms the content that you are going to discuss in your body paragraph 2. So writing your body paragraphs, that is body paragraphs 1 and 2. So the body paragraphs should have at least 5 sentences, and the 5 sentences should be organized as follows. First sentence. So you state the reason why you agree or disagree, and you have to start with any of the following specific linking words. Because this is your first paragraph, you are starting. Now you need to begin with any of the following specific linking words like first of all, or first and foremost, or firstly, or in the first place, etc. Now we come to the second and third sentences. So here you need to explain your answer or reasons starting with the following specific linking words. So when you explain, you begin with this is because, or since, or for the reason, or in view of the fact that, or owing to the fact that, or given that, or in light of this, etc. The fourth sentence. So in the fourth sentence here, you're supposed to give an example. And when you're giving examples, you use examples from your own life, yeah, or from history, from literature, from news, and so on. So start your example sentence with the following specific words, like, for example, XYZ, for instance, XYZ, to give an instance, XYZ, by way of illustration, and the list is endless. So what you need to note here is that it is not a must for the example to be real. You can form any so long as it is relevant to the content of the paragraph. Sentence number 5. You need to write a short summary of your paragraph. You should summarize the whole idea of your paragraph starting with the following specific linking words like thus, or as a result of this, or hence, or therefore, or because of this, etc. The conclusion paragraph. So this final paragraph should have 1 to 2 sentences in the following structure. Number 1, you can start as follows. In conclusion, then you restate your opinion, then followed by restating your 2 reasons in summary. Or you can say, to sum up, then restate your opinion, then finally restate the 2 reasons in summary. Or you can begin with, to summarize, then restate your opinion, then finally restate the 2 summary points. Or finally, you can say, to conclude, then you restate your opinion and finally restate the 2 reasons in summary. So that is how you need to write your conclusion paragraph. Thank you. That marks the end of how to structure your opinion questions. I look forward to seeing you again in my subsequent lessons.